So in my temperature blanket pattern, I had linked to various tutorials that would help you with different parts of the blanket. And for the year block, I was informed that one of the main tutorials had been taken down. So I guess I'm making one here. This is the year block that I will be making for the bottom right corner of my temperature blanket. I have the year, and I'm also left a little bit of room so I can put a color legend. The instructions for knitting this are in the pattern, unless you bought before June 2023, and then there is an update that you can email me for if you bought it through Etsy. So doing stranded color work in Garter is a little bit different than in stockinette. So we have hit the point where I'm going to start color work. The first thing I do is I increase my needle size by 1 or 2 needles because the tension of using 2 different yarns makes it a little bit tighter. So if you use a bigger needle, it maintains the same tension as the rest. So there are a lot of great tutorials on a variety of video apps that show how to do stranded color work. And it's typically done in stockinette. So any of those tutorials will teach you how to do it on the right side correctly, but I will be doing a tutorial on how to do it on the wrong side. As you can see, I've done the first right side row of the color work, and because we are in this pattern using garter rows instead of regular rows for how the numbers look, I will be doing the exact same colors going backwards on the wrong side. But what does change is how you carry the yarn, because you can't keep it on the back side because then it will show on the front side of your blanket. So you start knitting the wrong side with the appropriate color, and then when you have to switch colors, you bring the previous color back to the front and move the new color to the back. And then when you have to switch colors again, you're going to move that color from the back to the front and then bring the new color to the back. And this keeps the carrying of the yarn on what will be the back side of the blanket, so you don't see any extra yarn on the front side of the blanket. So having knit across the right side and then again backwards across the wrong side, we have created one garter ridge in stranded color work. It is a little bit more daunting if you are used to stockinette, but it's not that complicated at all. So, happy knitting!